Hi, this is Denise Farinsky. This is my latest altered art piece entitled Green Bird, Dancing in the Blue Roses. It was created with a late 1960s, early 1970s Japanese music box that has an automaton bird. This automaton bird is very special because it actually jumps from perch to perch while the music plays. The song that this music box plays is called The Blue Danube by Johann Strauss II. And it was actually written in 1866. So to reflect the time period, I actually tried to make it look period in Victorian from the mid to late 1860s. And I actually decorated it with women and men going to a ball and waltzing around the piece. So right now I'd actually like to show you the bird. And listen to the music. And go up close. And it goes from perch to perch along with the music. It's a beautiful green bird that I actually modeled after a North American green painted bunting, which is a finch-like bird. And you can see that it jumps back and forth and it kind of swings a little bit. It's really fun. Most automaton birds I see are actually on a swing, but they don't jump from perch to perch like this one. And it's actually made from, has beautiful vintage Japanese organza and satin blue roses that have velvet leaves, and so it's really nice. And so we can actually look at the design. Let me turn on the music box here. And so I basically have a bunch of ladies and gentlemen dressed in 1860s clothing. So we can actually turn this so you can see the music box. And if you listen to the music and look at the pictures, you can imagine yourself actually at the dance. And then at the front, you actually have a lady who is resting from all her dancing. And it's done in pastel colors, in greens and pastel pinks, and light blues and greens. And at the very top is an antique doll head. They actually call it a frozen Charlotte, but it's from Germany, and it was created in the late 1880s and early 1900s. So that is an actual Victorian doll head. It's not a reproduction, it's an actual antique. And there's an organza ribbon on top. So you enjoy the bird jumping a little bit more. So cute. So, again, this is my newest altered art piece, Assemblage. Thank you.